In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Japanese IME on Windows 11. If you've ever tried typing in Japanese on your Windows 11 device, but found that it doesn't work as expected, you're not alone. Fortunately, solving this issue is a relatively straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to open the settings menu on your computer. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut is a great tool to remember, as it gives you instant access to all your system's settings. Once you have the settings window open, look for the time and language section. This is where you'll find various options relating to the languages and regional settings on your machine, making it an important resource for managing language features. Next, click on Language and Region on the left sidebar. This will bring you to a page that displays all the language settings for your system. Here, you'll want to check if Japanese is listed under the Preferred Languages section. If you already see it there, double check to make sure it's configured correctly. If it's not listed, don't worry, adding it is quite simple. To add Japanese to your list of preferred languages, you'll want to find and click on the button that says Add a Language. This action will bring up a new window with a search bar and a list of languages. In the search bar at the top, type in Japanese. This should filter the list to show the Japanese language option. Once you see Japanese as an option, click on it so that it's highlighted. After that, click the Next button, which should be at the bottom of the window. You'll be taken to a screen where you will see a brief summary of what will be installed. Go ahead and click Install to proceed. The system will begin downloading the necessary language components, so you'll need to be patient for a moment while this completes. Once the installation is finished, you should find Japanese listed under your preferred languages. This addition will also enable the Japanese IME, allowing you to type in Japanese seamlessly across your applications. And there you have it, a fully functioning Japanese IME set up and ready on your Windows 11 device. Remember, some applications might need to be restarted for the language changes to take full effect, so if you encounter any hiccups, that's a good first step to try. Enjoy typing in Japanese with ease, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions or run into difficulties. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.